Did you know this shake that makes you eat less and lose more weight? Thanks to this smoothie, I managed to lose 12 pounds in just this week. Now I will explain to you how I prepare it. For this recipe, we are going to need 30 grams of rolled oats. Regular consumption of oats contributes to the reduction of cholesterol and blood sugar levels. Next, add a red apple cut into pieces. Fibers fill the stomach and generate a greater feeling of satiety, reducing the desire to consume sweets. Pectin acts on digestion, slowing down the process and helping to control hunger. We will also use the juice of a lemon. Then, in a blender, we will add the ingredients mentioned above: oats, apple, lemon, as well as half a liter of water and a small spoonful of cinnamon. We will let it blend for 5 minutes, and thus we will obtain our fabulous smoothie that helped me lose 5 pounds in a week. Before I forget, today's greeting is from Maria from California and Sophie from Colombia. Girls, thank you very much for supporting us. Consume this shake in the morning during breakfast. In addition to providing a large amount of energy, it helps us feel satiated and not hungry in the morning. In addition, it gives us a large amount of energy, helping us stay satisfied and avoid feeling hungry during breakfast.